This is Savvy Finance, and you are welcome to the second edition of This Week in Crypto, a news segment where we examine the top news in the crypto space through the previous week. This week's edition has a broad mix of the good, the bad, and the downright ugly. We will start with the bloodbath that had many investors doubting their sanity for investing in the space and slowly work our way towards a bunch of top giants getting in the space. The week has certainly been a very eventful one for the crypto ecosystem. From Facebook to Google, Walmart, and Twitter, every big corporation is embracing one digital asset or another. El Salvador also continues to make history with a plethora of amazing ventures, and many other countries are also getting into the space. But of course, the naysayers are still doing what they do best. Ensure you watch the video to the end, click the like button, and subscribe to the channel. You'd also support the This Week in Crypto segment by sharing the videos with others. We appreciate every effort you expend towards the growth of Savvy Finance. In return, we promise to always be here through the good, the not-so-good, and the downright ugly. Remember, the goal for investing in crypto is so much more than earning a few bucks. We are making history here, people. We are revolutionizing investment, finance, social media, data storage and protection, and everything in between. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. As promised, we are going to start with last week's bloodbath across almost all cryptocurrencies. The week was mostly uneventful, with Bitcoin holding the line between $43,000 and $41,000. However, things quickly took a turn on Friday when prices dipped past the $40,000 support level and just kept dipping. By 5:45 p.m. Eastern Time, Bitcoin was down by 10.8% in 24 hours and trading at $35,724. Ethereum also took a decline of 16.8% between Thursday and Friday. The token was trading at just over $2,500 on Friday afternoon. Cardano went down by 13.4% and Solana by 19.1% on the same day. However, Friday's sell-off was nothing compared to Saturday's. Bitcoin took a deeper nosedive to levels unseen since the crash in July. In the early hours of January 22, the coin traded around $34,017, an 18.84% decline in a week. The coin had also lost 29.60% of its price in a month, and around 48% of its all-time high price of $69,000. Ethereum also took a 6.7% nosedive on Saturday, losing around 30% of its price within the week. Other altcoins did not fare much better within the week. Solana and Avalanche lost about 38% of their prices each. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu went down by 30% and 38% respectively. In addition to Shiba, Polkadot, Chainlink, and Sandbox are some of the week's top losers. Polkadot lost 36.7%, Chainlink lost around 38.9%, and Sandbox lost around 39.3%, all at the peak of the crash. According to CoinGlass.com, there was a lot of liquidation going on between Friday and Saturday, which could have informed the dip. On Saturday, the platform reported that over 1.1 billion in positions were liquidated across all cryptocurrencies within 24 hours. The Ethereum network saw its fair share of liquidations as investors continued to bemoan the high transaction fees. However, the worst seems to be over for the weekend. Positions liquidation has dropped to less than $80 million, and most coins are showing signs of improvement. Bitcoin is holding the $35,000 support level well. Ethereum is still hovering in the $2,400 region. Solana is trading for $97.75, defying reports that it will test the $70 support level. After losing about 22% over the week, Cardano has also gained about 5% during the last 24 hours, now trading for $1.10. We are moving on from the weekend's bloodbath to some good news. This week saw a number of announcements from different global corporations that are adopting cryptocurrencies, non-fungible tokens, and other digital assets. On Thursday, Twitter launched an NFT profile picture service. The feature will allow Twitter users to set up an NFT as their profile picture. The social media platform will be displaying NFT profile pictures with a special hexagon shape. For now, the feature will only support static image NFT minted on the Ethereum blockchain. Earlier in the week, news broke that Walmart has set its sights on the metaverse. The American Retail Corporation also plans to launch different categories of virtual goods, a digital currency, and a collection of non-fungible tokens. Very soon, all you will need to shop at Walmart will be a pair of hopefully affordable virtual reality headsets, a computer, and a thirst for adventure. Meta is also diving into the NFT space. According to reports, the big tech corporation formerly known as Facebook is developing new features for its social media platforms, Facebook and Instagram. The features will allow users to display their non-fungible tokens and mint new NFT on the platforms. Though there is no time frame for when these new features will roll out, it is going to be a big deal for the NFT space. Talking about the NFT space, it appears it was completely unaffected by the week's bloodbath. In fact, it recorded an 81% increase in weekly sales. During the week, there was a total of $4.7 billion in NFT sales among 326,733 buyers. During the week before, total sales amounted to around $2.5 billion. With the entry of big tech companies like Twitter and Facebook, things are going to get even more interesting. Alphabet's Google is also joining the throng of companies that have shown interest in blockchain technology. During the past week, news broke that the company has created and is filling roles for a new unit that will focus on blockchain and other next-generation technologies. A company executive also told reporters that the company is considering adding cryptocurrencies as a payment method on Google Pay. Big tech companies are not the ones eyeing the crypto space. Many countries are also working on regulations that will make the space safer for investors. Others are launching a full crackdown on the space. Countries like Russia, Spain, the UK, and the US are setting some ground rules for the industry. Russia said it might allow crypto mining in gold-backed stable coins if the industry is transparent and pays taxes. Until that happens, the European country is treating crypto-related activities as hostile, asking banks to report all crypto-related transactions. During the week, the Central Bank of Russia also launched the pilot phase of the digital ruble project with 12 Russian banks. In the US, Gary Gensler, the chairman of the US Securities and Exchange Commission, has stressed that crypto trading platforms have to be regulated to protect investors. Spain and the United Kingdom are also taking steps to regulate crypto ads to make them clear and fair so investors know just what they are getting into. Across the Atlantic Ocean, our favorite country keeps making giant strides in its crypto journey. El Salvador made 3 crypto-related announcements during the past week. First, the Central American country plans to offer crypto loans to small-scale entrepreneurs. Such moves can only be possible in El Salvador, which has onboarded 4 million users on its Bitcoin wallet in a little over a month. The figure represented about 70% of the country's unbanked population. Lastly, El Salvador has been able to bring its total Bitcoin holdings to 1,801 after buying 410 Bitcoins. Nayib Bukele, the country's president, tweeted about the purchase on Friday, stating that the country bought its cheapest and largest amount of Bitcoins for $15 million. Before we end the video, a quick reminder for our viewers to be extra vigilant about scams. There are a lot of unscrupulous individuals looking to divest you of your hard-earned money. This week, it was reported that Indians visited cryptocurrency scam websites 9.6 million times in 2021. Crypto.com also revealed that 483 accounts were compromised in a recent hack. The hackers made away with 4,836.26 Ethereum, 443.93 Bitcoin, and over $60,000 worth of other cryptocurrencies. That is everything we have for you on this week's episode of This Week in Crypto. If you liked the video, remember to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. We would also love to hear from you, so drop your comments, observations, and thoughts in the comments section below. You can also turn on post notifications so you never miss any of our regular uploads. Thanks for watching.